'Tis the season to be festive, and sometimes that involves an ugly sweater or two.
And we have two right here, but if you're going to DIY your own sweater, maybe one that's filled with tiny ugly sweaters, that could help you win the contest. Amy Latta is joining us today for our Ugly Christmas Sweater Show to share her own version of an ugly sweater. And this is a cool little twist on it, Amy. You have such a great sweater to show us and how we put it together. Let's start looking at how we do it.
Sure. So I thought, what could be more fun?
Yeah.
You know, one ugly sweater is great, but 10 ugly sweaters, even better.
That's right.
It's in the shape of a tree. So
It's in the shape of a tree.
Amy designed our actual Christmas tree, and now you've got one made of sweaters on your sweater.
That's right.
There you go.
Can't get enough Christmas trees.
Walk us through it.
Yes, so I actually have this little sweater shaped template from Missouri Star Quilt Company, but if you don't have the sweater template, you can just print out an image of a sweater online and just use that as a pattern. But all I did was I took these all kinds of random holiday fabrics. So this one has cats on it, this one has gingerbread people, there's Santa and stripes and just anything and everything that's loud and interesting and doesn't match the other ones. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take double-sided fusible interfacing. And what that is something that you iron onto the back of fabric and it's sticky or adhesive on both sides. So then when you heat it, if you apply it to your sweater and you heat it, it sticks in place.
Okay.
So that's the idea. So we're ironing that double-sided fusible interfacing. We're tracing our sweater, we're cutting it out, and then once we have the 10 sweaters cut out, we arrange the tree shape, and then we just use the iron to heat and press them in place. Then I actually stitched around them too, just to hold them really well.
Sure.
And then the most fun part is going back and individually decorating each sweater.
I was going to say, because you have decorations on the sweaters.
I do.
Makes it 3D.
Right.
Yes, so I have like a little duck button here. I
Yep.
have an iron-on penguin patch. I use lots and lots of glitter paint, fabric paint. And I used pom-poms, buttons, ribbon. So any kind of embellishments you have in your crafting stash, you can sew or glue them onto your sweater.
Yeah, and the uglier the better, or the more things that you have, like you've adorned, I think that looks nice. Now, what about an ugly sweater coaster?
Yes, so
Okay.
these are so fun to make and fun to gift. So it's the same exact idea where you're gonna cut the sweater out, you're using that fusible interfacing, and you're gonna put it on a 5-inch white square of fabric. Then you're just gonna sew other, hopefully not matching strips across to form this border, and then find another one that still doesn't match, and you're gonna make that the backing. And then I just used some more of that glitter paint around it, make it shiny and blingy and just obnoxious.
Right, and that,
more
I mean,
obnoxious the better.
normally when
Exactly.
Amy comes on, everything has to match. We want everything to look good. Today, not so much. We don't need that today.
Exactly.
That looks great, and a great gift idea too, like you said.
Absolutely. So you're full of great ideas. Remind us how you get to your website for all those different concepts and how you put this together.
Sure, and I do have a full tutorial for all of this in a video. So it's amylattacreations.com. Come and visit me. I've got all kinds of holiday projects that you can do, and even things you can do while the kids are on winter break.
Yeah,
that's important.
That's important. Families, always good ideas for families. And the great thing is, if you're not a crafter like us, you make everything seem so easy. But if you are a crafter, they probably have a lot of these supplies already.
They
so
do,
it's
yes.
easy to make a sweater like this. So get on her website, check it out. Amy, thanks so much.
Of course.